Hello, welcome to another episode of Paul's Pop Culture with me, Paul. Today I thought I'd show this talking ET that you can get in shops like Forbidden Planet and online. Roughly costing about £10. I'm definitely going to keep the box to this. It's a talking figurine. It's on the back. These are not very big, so I warn anybody who's going to buy one of these now. They look bigger than what they are. They're about the equivalent to a 3.75 action figure. It's quite small. It's got 19. I don't know what that is. That $19.50 Canada. So they've got $14.95 US on the back of this one. But yeah, these you can get these out of Forbidden Planet. They're about £10. They're online between 10 and 11. Okay, I'm going to take it out of the box to get a better look. First thing I'm going to show out of the box is that it's quite a detailed little book. I'm only going to show the one page because of there's lots of pages with children on, and I might get my comments knocked off if I show those pages. So I don't want to do that. So I like to see comments. So yeah, it's quite a detailed little book that comes with it. Now, I think that these would definitely make great little stocking fillers for Christmas. They're a nice little figure. You know, if somebody put this in my Christmas stocking, I'd be well pleased with it. Comes on a little base that you can't detach the figure off, and there's no articulation in the figure itself. So, it is a talking ET figure. I've turned the light off to try and get a bit of so you can actually see the chest glowing up a bit better. Okay, let's get ready.
Ouch. Come home. Be good. Elliot. E.T. Home from. I'll be right here. Home. E.T.
It's a battery operated figure, so you can change the batteries in it.
E.T. phone home. Ouch. Come home. Be good. Elliot. E.T. Home from. I'll be right here.
Okay, I'll leave it at that. I did order mine online, but they are available, like I said, Again, in like places like Forbidden Planet and stuff like that, they're quite easy to get. And like I said, I definitely think that they'd make a good little gift. And once again, they are not very big figures, so be warned about that. If you do order one online, make sure be careful, because if you're expecting a great big ET figure, you might have a bit of a shock. They are not very big. I haven't got a figure to compare it to at the moment, but I'd say like maybe like a GI Joe size, something like that. Okay, I'll leave it at that, and bye for now.